Because how do I know this? It's because I was an essential worker. Since 95, this is before I even got married, I was in Port Arthur, Texas, and doing some things for Chevron. They had a spill, and I was out there in this all-day Inn Express, and the first week was cool, but the second week I was getting irritated. People were coming in, violating my space, and I didn't know where to go eat. I had to keep spending my housing allowance, and I just wasn't. Port Arthur, Texas is not Sacramento, California. There's a lot of dynamics that I didn't understand. So I needed my own space, and I needed to have my own space. So someone called here's marketing, someone called my HR department and said, hey, we have an apartment up the street, and here's a menu of things that he wants. We're about 20% cheaper than a stay hotel, right? And they got the information to me, and I'm like, I'm all over this. I get to save money. I get to have my own space, right? I get to save my food allowance. I can feel good. So I was definitely there. That's back in 95. I got married in 96.